Colon cleansing was first practiced by the Greeks in ancient Greece. Nowadays, with our culture's incessant search for natural health, this procedure has begun to be debated by several professionals and researchers in the field. The truth is that there are numerous ways to perform a natural intestinal cleansing. You can use teas, soups, and products sold exclusively for bowel cleansing. The colon plays a very important role in our body. It maintains our body's water balance and regulates our immune system. But its main purpose is to remove toxic waste from your body. Alternative medicine says that you need to perform a colon cleansing every once in a while to eliminate all toxins, fecal matter, and contaminants that accumulate. If you don't perform this cleanse, then the contaminants may travel through your blood and cause major health problems such as constipation, weak immune system, skin problems, bladder infection, vaginal discharge, poor memory, mood swings, anxiety, fatigue, depression, and muscle and joint pain. These are just some of the symptoms that a person may feel when their intestine isn't working well. If you have any of these symptoms, then you should know that there are several natural remedies that can be used in this detox process that have no side effects. In today's video, we're going to share a totally natural, healthy, and effective detox treatment. This juice can both clean your colon and eliminate toxins due to its diuretic and antioxidant properties. Ingredients: 6 strawberries, 1 slice of natural pineapple, 1 tablespoon of fresh parsley. It's preferable that you use organic fruit. After washing your ingredients, blend them all with a little water. It's recommended to drink this smoothie once a day for a week, every morning on an empty stomach. If this recipe is too hard or time-consuming for your daily life, there is an excellent alternative which also helps with the bowel cleansing process. Just mix the juice from half of a freshly squeezed lemon with half a glass of warm water. It is recommended that you drink this mixture before going to bed. In addition to these recipes, remember that including soluble and insoluble fiber in your diet will help with gastrointestinal problems, including constipation, diverticular disease, and even prevent colorectal cancer. The recommended daily amount is about 25 to 30 grams of fiber. To consume more fiber, just eat more cereals and whole grains, as well as soluble oats, fruits, and vegetables. Drink more water as well. And last but not least, try to avoid consuming foods that are difficult to digest, such as red meat, dairy foods, excess protein, or anything that may irritate your intestine. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.